Watch this video and learn how to draw a milkshake. Later on, join Artie for a dance break. And watch to the end to see Louie's shape break. Okay, little artists, are you ready? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello.
Are you ready to do some art, Artie?
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
Oh, good. Let's do a drawing.
Okay. Yay. Oh, yeah.
Welcome, little artist, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
I'm so happy to see everyone today.
What should we draw, Artie?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Well, I've got a suggestion.
Yes, please.
You know how you love milkshakes?
Yeah.
Let's draw one.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Let's give our milkshake a really cool pair of sunglasses. Did you know sometimes people call sunglasses shades because they shade your eyes from the sun?
Oh, Artie didn't know that. Oh,
Yeah, you've got a really cool pair of shades, Artie. Draw a curve coming down on the left side. That's it. And then do the same but on the right side.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too, Betty.
Now draw a line that curves up, and remember the little bit that sits on the top of your nose? That's it. And then curve back down and join the whole thing together.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Now we're going to make an outline. To do that, draw the exact same shape inside the sunglasses, but just a little bit smaller.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast.
Very good, Artie. You've nearly finished the left side. Just curve round and up. That's it. Now let's do the same on the right side. This reminds me, springtime is coming soon. It's going to be really sunny again, and we're going to need our shades.
yeah. Oh.
Good job, Artie. The sunglasses are finished. Now let's draw the left side of our milkshake glass. A big curved line going up to the sunglasses. Let's do the same on the right side. That's it.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi! Oh, what you drawing? Ooh, that looks so good. I might just nibble it. Just kidding. All right, bye!
Bye.
Bunny's so silly. You can't nibble a milkshake. Well, I guess you could. You could nibble the top part, maybe the whipped cream on the top. Yummy. Did you know some milkshakes have whipped cream on the top and sometimes a cherry?
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Oh, wow.
We should add a cherry, Artie, to this drawing, right at the end, right on top of the whipped cream.
Okay.
Let's draw the bottom of the glass now, a nice big oval shape. Draw it in two halves, it's a bit easier that way. Left side first, and then right side. Looking good.
I've had an idea.
Oh, are you going to make your bed?
No,
Well, what then?
Artie wants a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah, let's go do dance break. Dance break.
This is making me want to dance.
Me too.
Every once in a while, a dancer comes and... what? Get on with it? Okay. 10!
Oh, dance break.
That was a good one, Artie.
Yeah.
You must be exhausted. Let's finish the drawing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Let's draw some more of the glass above the shades. Just a short line on the left and another short line on the right. Coming up, don't miss Louie's shape break.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
I love the mouth that you added, Artie. Let's draw a big tongue sticking out because this milkshake is delicious. Yummy. Add a little triangle on the left and shade it in black.
Oh no, that's Painty's music. Painty, it's okay. We don't need you today. Everything's fine. Ow! Painty! Oh no! Everyone hide!
Painty! Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to clean that up now. Ugh, Painty. Ugh, okay, Artie. Come on, let's draw the top portion of the glass, the rim of the glass. A nice big curve along the bottom first. Now double that line to give it some thickness. That makes the drawing look more 3D.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what 3D means, Artie?
Not really.
Well, it stands for three-dimensional.
Oh.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Well, it's going to be a milkshake, Mikey. You and Betty like milkshakes. Looks like you're really having fun doing this drawing, Artie.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo! Hey.
Well, that's great. We're having fun watching you as well. Well, that outline's pretty much done.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
You want a shape break?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to a shape break. My name's Louis, and I'm going to teach you today about this very interesting shape here. It's called a cylinder, or you might say a tube. Well, the cylinder has a circle at the top, as you see, a circle at the bottom, which is hidden in this example here, and then it's connected together, and it makes a complete cylinder, or tube. Now, there's lots of fun things that are this cylinder shape. For example, soda cans, a honey jar or a jam jar perhaps, coffee cup, toilet roll. We all use them. And, oh, my favourite, birthday cake. A birthday cake is a cylinder shape. Yes, indeed. What kind of birthday cake do you take to an elf's birthday party? A short cake, because you see, elves are small, you see. Anyway, why wasn't the toilet paper stopped? Because it was on a roll. Because they're rolls, they're cylinders, you see. Never mind. Why is a drum a cylinder shape? Beats me. Beats me. See.
Oh, Louie, that was good. Yeah. Oh, Artie learned a lot.
Yeah, that was a great shape break, Louis. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's draw some yummy whipped cream on the top of our milkshake.
Yeah, Artie like whipped cream.
Oh, Artie, your drawing is as sweet as carrot cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hopping out now.
Bye.
Let's draw another layer of whipped cream on top. Just draw a wavy shape going across to the right and then back down. Oh, Artie, do you remember that time that Bunny got whipped cream on her nose? She was drinking her milkshake and she got a little bit on the end of her nose.
Oh, yeah.
That was funny. Let's draw the cherry on top. Draw a circle shape, but make sure it's not perfectly round.
That's amazing.
So beautiful.
Now let's draw the stem coming out of the top of the cherry. I wonder if we have the ingredients in the kitchen to make a milkshake. I think we might. Oh, I like that drinking straw, Artie. That's a good addition. Great idea. I think you've finished, Artie. It looks complete.
I finished.
I thought you had.
Yeah,
Looks great.
I'm really happy with it. It looks great.
It does.
Artie, are you going to color it in now?
I think you should.
Color it in, Artie.
Artie's finished. All done.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah. Wow.
I love the red colour for the tongue and the red colour for the cherry.
Yeah.
So good.
Okay.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Bye, Artie. Bye.
Thank you for watching, little artists. I hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.